This is driven by love. I was really actually moved last night to listen to you all, and I had to process it. There was a lot of love, but there's also a lot of loss. And I think that those are two drivers here of why we're here, both love and loss. These two things come packaged together in a powerful way. So this is one reason why you shouldn't trust me, that I'm non-traditional, unconventional, and unaffiliated. I'm still trying to figure out if that's an asset or a liability. And I'm hopelessly subjective, which does not make me a good scientist. I love my subject, so it's very hard to dissect it. Over the course of my life, I've boiled down what I've learned to basically these three principles. The first one is continuity, that the universe itself is continuous. The story of the universe portrays this beautifully. What it means is that there are no discrete anythings. There's no discrete people, there's no discrete thoughts, there's no discrete nothing. Everything's connected. And every syllable of the science that I've ever been taught confirms that continuity. The second one is relationality, which is that nothing happens except through relations. There would be nothing, and I can show you in the history of the universe, why this is. I can kind of prove that this cosmos is built on a DNA of relationality. And the third one here is about entanglement, about how our experiences and this thing we call consciousness, the identity, the little narrative, the little voice that's somewhere located behind your eyes, is deeply entangled with the world. And I think that that fosters a sense of deep connection when you think of yourself as entangled with the world. And I think the left brain sort of way of seeing things has somehow divorced us from that entanglement. So we're going to explore these three principles. First, we're going to do it conceptually through the story of the universe, and then we're going to go out into the woods and see if we can experience them. Oh, Oika. Oika is a sort of word that I invented. It's based on the word oikos, which is a Greek word. It's where we get the prefix eco, as in economy, as in ecology. But in the Greek conception, given that it was like a patriarchal society, it referred